Welcome back to Dark Pool Daily. Let's break down today's action across SPY, QQQ, and IWM. Starting with SPY. The biggest dark pool print landed at $640.39, with over $2.7 billion in premium. We also saw a strong cluster of activity between 648 and 649, totaling more than $1 billion. On the options side, calls came in at about 150,000 in premium, while puts reached roughly 160,000. That gives SPY a slightly bearish lean, even though institutions continue to defend the 640 zone. Moving to QQQ. The standout print was at 575.44, worth more than $517 million. Additional levels clustered between 565 and 577, with strong support seen across that range. Options showed about 61,000 in calls and 67,000 in puts, leaning modestly bearish. The flow suggests institutions are cautious, but still active in defending higher levels. For IWM, two notable dark pool prints showed up again at 233.83 and 233.56, together worth about $142 million. Options were light, with nearly even flow between calls and puts, but the edge went slightly to the bearish side. Overall, today's dark pool activity highlights key defended levels: SPY around 640, QQQ between 565 and 575, and IWM around 233. Option flow across all three leaned just a bit bearish, showing hedging pressure, but no signs of capitulation. That's today's recap. If you trade SPY, QQQ, or IWM, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's update.